Welcome to another video on mixing presets, and today we are considering Gunnr's hyperpop vocal preset.
And you know that is on my mind. You know that is perfect timing.
Yo, the name is Gunnr once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio, and today we are considering Gunnr's hyperpop vocal preset. Though I tried my best to record this vocal to you, all you need to do is to record the best or the perfect vocals and just apply what I'm gonna tell you. I did this, so just follow what I'm gonna show you, record the perfect vocal. And if you want to achieve Gunnr's hyperpop vocal preset, you need to follow this. Okay, so now let's listen to this without any of the effects. Listen to this. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party and do something crazy tonight. Tell me why you wanna go far. Why, baby, tell me why. I'm gonna mute the beat for now. Listen to this. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party and do something crazy tonight. Alright, so that's super simple. Now let's go to the mixer, and I'm gonna walk you through Gunnr's hyperpop vocal preset. So the very first thing I introduced was auto tune. Okay, and I'm using auto tune EFX plus, and the key for this particular song is A major. All you need to do is to set your key according to the beat that you are using, and this is my routine speed. I'm about to give it a little bit humanized, and my input type is low mill. Alright, so now guys, let's listen to auto tune EFS plus on our vocal. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party and do something crazy tonight. Tell me why you wanna go far. Why, baby, tell me why. Now let me solo the vocals alone. Listen to the auto tune on the vocals. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party and do something crazy tonight. As you can hear, my voice is shaking. I just recorded this to show you. So what you need to do is to record the perfect vocals, alright, and just apply the same effect. So I'm gonna reduce the routine speed a little bit. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party. And that's simple. Give it a little bit humanized to about 48. Let's see. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party and do something crazy tonight. That's simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Next thing I introduced was the parametric EQ2, also from FL Studio, and I'm using the 4 stock plugins to show you the mixing preset of the artist that we're gonna consider. So this is the parametric EQ2. I really love this one because you can actually see the visuals here. I like parametric EQs. So what I did, I cut some of the low ends, and you can see I boosted some of the frequencies, especially the high ends over here. Now listen to this on the vocals. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? It changed everything. So let's mute the beat for now. Then listen to this once again. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party and do something crazy tonight. That's super simple. So we're gonna add the beat. You know I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why you do me this? Baby, come closer. Let's party and do something crazy tonight. So right after this, guys, I introduced the fruity limiter. also a default stock plugin from FL Studio, and this was my threshold. The knee, as you can see, the ratio, this was the settings. You can screenshot it. It's super simple. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? So next I introduced was the fruity compressor, and as you can see, this was my threshold. I'm using a ratio of 8:1. Then this is the gain, the vintage type that I am using over here. The release is a little bit fast, and I'm using fast attack. Listen to this. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? Baby, come closer, let's party. Let's mute the beat for now. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? You can even hear background noise in this particular vocal. Don't get bored. I recorded this in my bedroom, so you can actually hear that the vocals is not clean. All you need to do is to record a perfect vocals and go for the same thing that I'm showing you, and you're gonna achieve Gunnr's hyper pop vocal presets. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? Baby, come closer, let's party and do something crazy tonight. Alright, so next thing I introduced was the Soundgoodizer. Alright, the Soundgoodizer gonna boost everything, compress the vocals for you. Listen to this. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? I'm gonna add the beat. Like the video if you are new here. We are using stock plugins. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? Baby, come closer, let's party and do something crazy tonight. Tell me why you wanna go far. Why, baby, tell me why. Alright, so next thing I introduced was the fruity limiter, and I'm using the limiter. So now let's listen to the fruity limiter on our vocals. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? Baby, come closer, let's party and do something crazy tonight. Tell me why you wanna go far. Why, baby, tell me why. Yeah, tell me. That's simple. And the next thing I introduced was reverb. You know, you have to create a special track for your reverb, but I decided to place everything on this particular insert track here. And now this was the settings for the reverb. I'm going for a full room size, cut off some of the high ends, as you can see. Then I'm controlling the amount of reverb that I'm sending to the vocals over here. Alright, so let's mute the beat for now, as you can see here. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? Baby, come closer, let's. That's super simple. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? Baby, come closer, let's party and do something crazy tonight. Tell me why you wanna go far. Why, baby, tell me why. Yeah. Alright, so the last thing I introduced was the delay, and I'm using Fruity Delay 3. Alright, this is the settings, as you can see. So all you need to do is to take a screenshot of this, and guys, record a clean vocals, place them on, and you're gonna achieve the Gunnr's hyper pop vocal preset. So now that you know Gunnr's hyper pop vocal preset, then watch the next video to know iTunes vocal preset in FL Studio using stock plugins. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed. No, I got nobody else. You are my everything. Why do we this? Baby, come closer, let's party and do something crazy tonight.